A few months ago, this site was a plan waiting to happen. Today, the solar array is operational, the battery system is live, and Icknield Biogas now gets all its electricity from Wattstor through the Price Protect model. What was once a complex technical challenge has become a working example of how businesses can cut costs, reduce carbon, and secure long-term energy certainty.
When we were here last year, we were wondering what this project could become. And now we've got the solar installed, we've got the battery installed, and the site is fully operational and providing renewable energy to the site. We have a 2.5 megawatt battery energy storage system. We have solar, which you can see through there. And within this container, we have the DC conversion equipment and the inverter. So the inverter will take the DC power, convert that to AC, and then from there, the AC power goes into this transformer. The transformer steps the voltage up to 11 kV, and then that powers the system at the plant.
What makes this site particularly important is that it's Wattstor's first Price Protect project, which will deliver savings of around 20 to 25% with no upfront investment, while securing long-term, low-cost electricity with a price cap.
Wattstor finances, builds and operates the entire renewable energy system, and all the customer needs to do is sign up to an electricity supply agreement at a protected price.
Projects like this rely on strong delivery partnerships. Working alongside Wattstor, EPC partner Alt Group led the installation of the solar array and helped transform the plan into reality.
I think Icknield was so successful as a project because of the collaboration between Alt Group and Wattstor. Right from the outset, making sure the design was correct so that the system performs correctly. It was built properly without any disruption to the customer's operation.
At Icknield Biogas, a renewable energy vision has now become a working reality.
What this project demonstrates is that customers don't need to wait for perfect conditions to move forward with renewable energy. With the right technology, partners and commercial structure, projects like this can be delivered today.
For businesses looking to take control of their energy future, this is what Price Protect looks like in practice.